Hi everyone. Today's training session, we're going to talk about making offers and how to check acceptance in scholarships management system. So after the applications are assessed based on the application answer and the paperwork students submitted, you're now ready to make offers. All assessment can be done outside SCMS. However, there are a few system checks you can take advantage of in SCMS. For example, so this is SSV, which is short for Student System Verification Check. For example, we can do a enrollment check, term load check, division check, and even GPA check, citizenship check, and load or mode check, etc. This is beneficial when you have a large number of applications. And if you don't want to do that, that's fine. It's also a good practice before you're making the offers, check if all the email templates are set up. So in the last session, we've talked about how to add in templates. So just quickly check if all the templates are added. So everything's in here, which is good. To make offers, we still use the same scheme, which is a UniSA placement grant. So we go to the relevant terms, which is 2019 as an example, and I go to Applicants tab. And I search for the applicants that I want. So there's only one. This is the one that I want to make offer to. Yeah. So click Edit Details and change the application status from Submitted to Offered. And then click Save. So there's a prompt which tells you no payment have been scheduled. Do you wish to continue? I'll say yes, because I will schedule the payment later. So now you can see the application status has changed to offered. So once we make the offer, student is able to accept the offer from My Scholarships student portal. Now I show you what it looks like for student. So I'm just emulate a student. So this is a student I just made offer to. So you can see I used another student as a real example. So for UniSA Online Study Grants, the student was offered and she hasn't accepted, but she can accept by clicking the accept button. And then the system also prompts them to enter the banking details in My Details tab. So this is how the student accepts the offer. Right, let's go back. If you have a large number of applicants to make offer to, you can also do bulk application update. Or I'll use another example. So you click the bulk application update. And say if you want to put them all as ineligible, you can put that, or offered. And then you can either select all, or you can manually select a few students. So once you've done that, you can click Submit. The application status will change for all the students you selected. So I won't do that for this exercise purpose. I'll just cancel. Let's just pretend that student has accepted the offer. You can manually accept on student behalf, but we don't usually do that because student has to accept the offer themselves. So once they accept the offer, if you realize that there is a mistake and the student shouldn't be a recipient, in this instance, please advise scholarship team immediately, because we will need to remove them from Medici, because once they accept the offer, the data will flow to Medici and it will carry on and will put on their student transcript when they graduate. So you advise us. In the same time, you also go to periods level and click the period name and find that recipients. You can see its continuing status, which needs to be changed. If you think this is an error, just click recipient ID and then change that status from continuing to admin adjust. And also put a comment, say testing only, or error, admin error, or system error. So you've done that, you advised SAS, and then we can just do a Medici remove for you from the term level. And that's all we need to do. All right. So if you want to know what's in the offer email or acceptance email, you can always check that in the students pillar. So you put in the student ID in the students pillar, click the student ID and click communications and just click filter. You can see for placement grant, she got an offer email and also acceptance email, which you can view anytime that you want. So that's the email template for offer. At this stage, you're not able to preview the email, but we'll be asking the technical staff to make some changes in the template section so that we can preview before we send it out. So for now, we can view them from here after it's sent out. Okay. Cool. So that's all the offers and acceptance. In the next session, I will talk about schedule payment, because now you already finalized recipient and you're ready to schedule payment. Thank you for listening.